I'm gonna cook from Eastern Europe country, which is the Czech Republic spaghetti with pork cuisine. So here are all the ingredients in cooking spaghetti with pork cuisine. First, here in a pot, I will put the 1/4 kilogram of nicely cube chopped pork. And I will be adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Pour it on a meat and stir a little bit. You can already turn on your stove on high. Then add the 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it. And the 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt. Let's mix this together so all the meat has a chance she'll get the salt. And now you want to roast it a little bit. After a few minutes, it has a different color now, and I will need to add 2 cups of water. And I will need it to boil. And now I will stir it and wait till it starts to boil. So I will add the lid so it will get there faster. And then after all the meat absorbed the water, add 3 ounces tomato paste. Give it a stir continuously. Let's add 3 teaspoons of white sugar because our tomato paste is not sweet. Let's mix this. To thicken it, I will need to prepare our thickening sauce. 1/2 cup of water, then pour the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into it and mix it. After mixing your thickening sauce, pour it onto your meat and stir it immediately. And as you see, it already starts to thicken it up. Let's stir it for about a minute or 2 just to give the sauce chance to thicken up even more. So I will turn it off now and our sauce is done. So next, I have a pot now and some warm water. Pour 3 pinches of salt and let's wait until it boils. When it boils, add already the 500 grams of spaghetti pasta onto the boiled water. I will not don't want to crush these. There's no space for the lid. Let's set up the timer for about 11 minutes. That's what the package says. But usually, it takes longer than that. After 11 minutes, I will be tasting it. So it took me 15 minutes to cook the pasta. Remove the pot now, and if you don't have a colander, just use steamer only. Pour it like this. Strain it. After straining it, plate it now and add the sauce onto the pasta. Then after, add already the cheese on top for topping. Grate it nicely and evenly. So this is my finished product.